Hi everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Samahan niyo ako sa quick unboxing natin nitong Realme 14 Series 5G exclusive gift set na pinadala ng friends natin from Realme Philippines. Okay, let's go! Ito yung box guys, and i-lift na natin yung cover. Check natin lahat ng items inside. And starting with this one, I think keychain to. And it features yung mascot ng Realme na si realmeow. Kaya meron din siyang loop na meron nakalagay na Make It Real. So yun yung brand slogan ng Realme. Ito naman, I think this is a toy with a stand, and it also works as a pen holder. For students and young professionals, cute to sa table nyo. Next, we have the TechLife Wireless Headphones G1. And this one is for gaming or just for daily use. And meron na rin siyang built-in microphone. Ayan, so unbox natin to later. And finally, this is the Realme 14. So mamaya, set up natin to and check natin yung specs niya. Okay? Ito na yung lahat ng items na kasama dun sa Realme 14 Series 5G exclusive gift set. Yan. Guys, tuloy na natin tong unboxing ng Realme 14. So, like what I said, ang official launch nito in the Philippines will be on April 29. You can watch the live stream of the event on Realme's official Facebook page at 4 p.m. These are the key features of the Realme 14. So, nakaprint naman siya sa box. And my review unit has 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Ang color niya ay Mecha Silver. Meron tong Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 5G chipset, 50 megapixel OIS AI camera, 6,000 mAh battery pack with 45 watts charge support, and meron din tong 120Hz AMOLED eSports display. Back to the unboxing. So ito yung documentation niya, quick start guide, and meron din tong technical specifications list. And then ito naman yung ating safety information. And ito yung metal pin for ejecting the SIM card tray. And finally, ito na yung ating soft silicone case na meron siyang matte finish. And ito na yung ating Realme 14 unit guys. Complete muna natin yung unboxing bago natin i-setup. So ito yung USB Type-C charging cable. And this is the 45 watts Super VOOC fast charger. Ayan na yung lahat ng nasa loob ng box. Okay, diretso lang tayo. Check out na natin yung design ng Realme 14 and let's also turn it on. Ayan, tanggalin lang natin tong IMEI sticker niya sa likod. Ang ganda ng back panel design guys. I think magugustuhan ito ng gamers. Ito yung right side natin. Ito naman yung left side, ito yung top panel, and ito yung rear. Typical naman yung button and ports placements. And now, let's turn the device on by long pressing on the power button. So, nakita nyo guys yung power button natin may kulay na para siyang orange or copper color. And now, diretso na tayo sa initial setup. Language, English, country, Philippines. Ayan, let's connect to Wi-Fi. Yan. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. And yung unlock method natin dito, meron siyang under display fingerprint scanner. So, mag-enroll tayo ng fingerprint. Yan. Google Services. May Gemini AI na rin siya, guys. Recommended services. And ang gusto kong navigation gestures. Let's get started. Pasok na tayo sa Realme UI on the Realme 14. Ayan. Pakita ko lang ulit sa inyo yung design para mas ma-appreciate natin. Ganda, di ba? Very impressive. Okay. Konting navigation ng interface. Very familiar na to sa marami sa atin, guys. And now let's go to the settings and about phone. check natin yung specs ng Realme 14 unit natin. As you can see here, ang official model name ng phone ay Realme 14 5G. Ang processor niya ay Snapdragon 6 Gen 4. 256 gigs ang internal storage pero 26.4 gigs agad ang natitake up upon initial setup. So ang RAM natin 12 gigs plus up to 14 gigs of RAM expansion. Upon unboxing, ang naka-impress talaga sa akin yung design ng Realme 14 5G. I think swak na swak talaga siya sa gamers. And itong soft silicone case niya, maganda rin kapag installed. Pero I think mas malakas yung dating pag walang case kasi ang ganda talaga ng design, guys. Yun nga lang, syempre, maganda pa rin kapag may protection yung phone natin. Impressed din ako dun sa large AMOLED display niya with up to 120Hz refresh rate. Let's test this 50 megapixel camera soon. Guys, i-unbox na rin natin tong TechLife Wireless Headphones G1 na kasama sa ating exclusive gift set. Ayan, let's remove the plastic cover. And dito sa harap, meron siyang image of the device inside. Sa sides, nakaprint din yung mga features. Lift na natin tong cover and let's take out the TechLife Headphones G1. So, meron siyang plastic cradle, guys. Ang official model name or number nito ay TLH P003. This is the user manual. And it has everything you need to know about the Headphones G1. Meron pang specs list dito, guys. Next, we have this adapter. This is USB Type-C to TRRS male. Ito naman yung charging cable natin na USB Type-C. And finally, we have the TechLife Headphones G1 unit. Ayan, guys, check natin yung design niya as well as the build. I think sapat naman yung kapal ng foam niya considering that this is a budget wireless headset. So meron din siyang flexible microphone here. And may tela yung headband, guys. Yung mic natin also tucks in sa side. And this is also foldable. So this is how it looks kapag naka-fold siya. And adjustable din yung laki ng headband, guys. Ngayon naman, try nating i-connect siya sa ating Realme 14 5G via Bluetooth. So, madali lang to, guys. Turn on lang natin tong Headphones G1 by long pressing on the power button sa side. And as you can see, meron pa tong LED lights, no? Perfect for gamers talaga. Sa phone naman, turn on natin yung Bluetooth and just look for TLH P003 sa list of audio devices to connect to. And that's it. Our TechLife Headphones G1 is already linked and connected to our Realme 14 5G. At yan ang ating full unboxing of the Realme 14 Series 5G exclusive gift set. So, if you're a budget-conscious mobile gamer at naghahanap ka ng bagong smartphone na magandang design at great ang specs considering its price, I highly recommend that you check out Realme 14 5G when it becomes available for pre-order. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Yun yung complete unboxing natin nitong Realme 14 Series 5G exclusive gift set. So stay tuned para sa official launch nitong Realme 14 on April 29, 2025 dito sa Philippines. Ia-announce din yung official price ng Realme 14 at that event. So stay tuned. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Tech Pinas YouTube channel. Again, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Bye for now and I'll see you again soon.